Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by freeing resources. This reduces immediate strain on the system. Uninstall apps you no longer use, and clear cache for browsers and social apps to reclaim RAM and storage. Move large media files, videos, and photo libraries to cloud or an SD card so internal storage drops below 80% capacity. Once done, reboot the device to flush temporary files and restart background services. This gives you a clean baseline before continuing with deeper optimizations. Next, focus on background activity and power policies because persistent background processes often cause lag. You should disable auto start for non-essential apps and turn off background app refresh selectively. This conserves CPU cycles and RAM. Set battery mode to battery saver or adaptive power so the OS throttles background tasks. Make sure your critical apps are allowed to send notifications. Once you apply these settings, monitor responsiveness for a day so you can identify any remaining heavy processes to restrict further. Finally, apply updates and run tests. OS and app updates often include performance fixes, so install them and reboot. If slowness persists, boot into safe mode to confirm third-party apps are the cause, and consider a factory reset after backing up your data. This eliminates software corruption. Make sure to check storage health and battery condition. An aging battery or failing storage can mimic lag. If problems continue, try replacing the battery or storage, and then reevaluate performance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.